Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today I'm going to be doing a Bujo setup video. I meant to do this on Friday, but I was busy dealing with things, work-related things, so I couldn't deal with it then. So I'm going to deal with it now. Alright. Oh my goodness, I have been playing catch up for the last 3 days, trying to get caught up, and it doesn't want to catch up. It's just like, nope, no catching up for you. You're too little. I wrote a letter to Jackie, thanking her for the samples. Thank you, Jackie. When someone tells you they're gonna make a video, that means right then and there. That doesn't mean in 5 minutes. That means right then and there. Please fuck off. No, GDSOB. We're going to be sitting up here for March. We're going to be setting up for March pretty soon. So look forward to that. Oh my goodness, I have a package coming soon. I wonder if that was them. Better check. Nope. Okay. Wasn't them. Okay, good. So, boy. Week 8. February 20th through the 26th. What's going on this week? We have, let's see, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Gary's birthday was yesterday. And Grandpa George's birthday. And I had blood work. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Don't do it to me today. Okay. Had blood work done. Tonight is 9 p.m. If you like practicing calligraphy, come and check out Mr. M.G. Ward at 9 o'clock on Tuesday, PST. Mr. Thor's birthday. Thor's birthday is on Thursday. Thor Pup's birthday. Andy B. Andy B is purple. Andy B's birthday. No, not Andy B's birthday. Andy B on Twitch. At 2:45. 2:40. I need to make a better effort to go and see her lives. I have just been crazy busy. I'm so sorry. I apologize. And then at Zoom, 5 p.m. Zoom. Los Angeles Pen Show from 10 to 5. That was lots of fun. I was supposed to do a Bujo setup video. I'm going to move the Bujo setup video to Friday so that way I can get ahead of things instead of being behind them. So, Friday. Okay, let's see, that is all. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So take care until then. Okay, love you, bye.